How to change Steam account name. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can change your Steam account name, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your name account or your account's name on Steam, first of all open the Steam app, and then what you want to do is after you open the Steam app, you have to understand one thing: you cannot change your Steam name and your Steam ID because that is something that you've set it by default. Now, even if you contact the support team, they will not be able to change it for you because Steam themselves mentioned that your Steam ID and your Steam account name cannot be changed. The only thing you can change is actually your profile name. So to do that, from the top right you can see a profile name. Just click on the profile icon here and then just go to view my profile. Then once you go to this option called view my profile, if you look on the top right again, you'll find an option labeled as edit profile. You want to just click on the edit profile button. Once you click on edit profile, right over here you'll be able to see the option called profile name. All you need to do is just go ahead and change it to any of the other profile name that you wish to add over here. Then just click on the save option from the bottom of the screen, and this is the only thing you can change. You cannot change your Steam account name as well as your Steam ID, so those are different things. Hope this video answered your question. If it did help you answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.